Welcome to Best Choice. The best air compressor parts is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any workshop, but when they fail, it can bring your work to a grinding halt. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Jobsmart air compressor parts, exploring everything from essential components to the best replacement options. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, understanding these parts is crucial for keeping your compressor running smoothly. Number 5. 3-way air compressor valve brass connector. Is your air compressor's check valve worn out? This brass connector is an excellent replacement. It's designed to get your compressor working like new again. Installing this valve is a breeze. The threaded connectors make it simple to attach. You'll have it up and running in no time. This 3-port valve connects to your tube, air pressure, and compressor piston pump. It's a vital component for efficient air compression. Cleaning is easy with its removable design. This feature ensures the valve stays in top condition, promoting longevity and healthier use. Built with high compressive strength and reliability, this valve is made to last. It's a high-performance part that you can depend on. The design prioritizes safety. All sharp edges are carefully polished to prevent injury. It's fast and easy to install without any tools. What we like. This 3-way valve is designed for easy maintenance. It features a removable design for internal cleaning, ensuring longevity and hygiene. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-maintain valve for your air compressor, this is a great choice. What people say. Replaced a broken one on my upright airless central pneumatic compressor from Harbor Freight. I broke it doing some needed maintenance on the compressor and had it up and running the next day. I ordered this for my Harbor Freight central pneumatic 8-gallon air compressor. It was a perfect fit. Pude installer el producto en mi compresora y funciona muy bien. No tiene fugas de air. Number 4. Longzhuo air compressor valve plate kit. This replacement part is designed specifically for air compressors. Installing this valve plate set will significantly enhance the machine's overall working efficiency. It's a simple upgrade with a big impact. The kit includes a tongue-shaped valve plate and a V-shaped plate. These are ideal accessories for easy changing and replacement. This makes maintenance straightforward and less time-consuming. These central pneumatic air compressor parts are made with excellent quality and toughness. This ensures better working performance and extends the lifespan of your equipment. You can rely on it for consistent results. The reed valve is perfectly adapted to withstand low and high cycle thermal fatigue, as well as creep damage. This design ensures the part's longevity and reliability under demanding conditions. It's built to last. The air compressor head gasket is made of premium cast iron. This makes it very durable for long-term use and very easy to install. It's a robust component that's simple to integrate. What we like. This valve plate set is designed to improve your machine's working efficiency. Its simple construction makes it easy to change and replace. If you are looking to upgrade your air compressor's performance with a durable and easy-to-install part, consider this. What people say. Parts fit and fix the problem of the compressor not building pressure past 40 psi. Item looks to be the exact same as what I replaced. I fit perfectly and my compressor is back up and running. Number 3. Secbolt air compressor pressure switch. This pressure switch offers automatic control for your air compressor. It cuts off at 120 psi and turns on again at 90 psi, ensuring efficient operation. The air pressure from one of the brass couplers is adjustable, giving you control over your output. This feature allows for customization based on your needs. This product includes a heavy-duty LeFu air compressor pressure switch, along with valve gauges and a regulator. It's built to last and perform reliably. The manifold is made of thick material, ensuring solid quality and durability. This robust construction means it can withstand demanding use. It comes with thread locker, making it easy to use and assemble. This design simplifies installation, saving you time and effort. What we like. This pressure switch manifold offers adjustable air output. It is built with thick, heavy-duty materials for solid quality. If you like to fine-tune your air pressure for different tasks, this adjustable regulator is perfect for you. What people say. The second picture shows an overall view of the installation. Note, the seller very specifically states not to use Teflon tape as screwing in the fittings may break the female fittings on the manifold. The vendor supplied a tread locker sealant to use and suggested that the locker and sealant be used instead of the Teflon tape. I found the thread locker to be easy to work with and there is plenty there for the assembly. I used the thread locker liberally and found that it gave me cover to not over-tighten the fittings. I tightened everything up and got it straight without the need to give the fittings that one last turn and then over-tightening the fitting. I fired up the unit and the switch tripped at 125 psi, a good thing, just as the relief valve started to trip, a bad thing. Thus the second issue, relief valve stayed leaking until it hit 60 #. Number 2. Air compressor control switch 4 ports 95 to 125 psi. This brand new air compressor control valve is comparable to many others. It features an on-off switch and an unloader. This product is designed for both single and two-stage compressors. The pressure switch is preset to operate within a 95 to 125 psi range. It includes a 0 to 200 psi pressure gauge, allowing you to easily monitor the system's pressure. It comes with 4 ports and a 1/4 compression unloader valve. The unloader valve is a 1/4 female NPT tank connection with 3 extra 1/4 ports. It also includes a 150 psi pop-off valve for added safety. This feature helps to prevent overpressurization of the system, ensuring safe operation. The product is rated for a maximum of 20 amps at 120 volts, 12 amps at 240 volts, and 9.6 amps at 3-phase 240 volts. Make sure your electrical system is compatible before installation. What we like. This pressure control switch offers multiple ports and a wide pressure range. It includes an unloader valve, making it versatile for various compressor types. If you have a need for a reliable and adaptable pressure switch, you should consider it. What people say. Perfect fit and works great. Worked for my 50-year-old Speedair 3Z921 3.4 horsepower compressor that I will never get rid of, built like a tank. Get it? Tank. Yeah, well, it worked. Switch and gauge works great. Preset on pressure switch was spot on. Number 1. Apex AB 9051114 Air Compressor Pressure Regulator. This is a replacement pressure regulator from Apex Tool Supply. It is designed for air compressors and is a direct replacement for several brands. This regulator is compatible with Bostitch, Husky, Hitachi, and Craftsman air compressors. It's a versatile solution for your air compressor needs. The package includes one air compressor replacement pressure regulator. It's everything you need to get your compressor back in working order. This product is sold and shipped by Apex Tool Supply. You can trust the quality and reliability of this replacement part. The product comes in bulk packaging. This ensures that it is protected during shipping and handling. What we like. This replacement pressure regulator is designed for several popular air compressor brands. It comes in a bulked package. If you are looking for a direct replacement for your Bostitch, Husky, Hitachi, or Craftsman compressor, this is the one. What people say. Once installed, which is easy, it holds pressure, there's no leaking, the gauge is relatively accurate and it works well. It fits great and works great, for a fraction of the price of an OEM replacement. This was an exact replacement for my Brute air compressor. Worked perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.